let's locate our Dance HUD package in the inventory and put it on the floor. You can just drag it, then we will click on it and press the only copy to inventory. Just like that. Once it's copied to your inventory, you will have a new folder containing the Dance HUD and all of the rest of the stuff that come with it. Now we will take this Dance HUD and we will put it on the floor. Now we will locate the animations in our inventory. Once we locate them, we can select them using Shift, select all of them, right click on the Dance HUD, press Edit. In the opening edit window we go to Content and we will take the dances and drag them into the Content window. We will wait a second, we will let it refresh. See, the scroll bar grew, and then we can just scroll down to make sure that they're there. And once they're there, we can close it, close this window, and take the HUD back into our inventory. Once the HUD is back in our inventory, you can see there's a copy. I will take the top one, right click and add. And voila, you can just press play, and that's it.